Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now access the top dead center sensor on your vehicle. The top dead center sensor makes it possible to inform the engine management calculator of the position of the engine pistons at the blind spot as well as the crankshaft. This makes it possible to inject the fuel at the point of sparking the plugs. On the Twingo 1, this sensor is fragile and regularly breaks. Yes, it is easy to change. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two holding screws on the sensor. Once removed, you can disconnect the sensor by lifting the small blue tab and pulling on it. Take the new sensor and connect the connector. Put it back in its housing and start screwing it in by hand. Finalize the tightening process with a socket wrench. Operation completed.